The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video, Trigonometric Ratios of Angle 45 Degrees. We had already discussed the trigonometric ratios of angle 30 degrees. But unlike that, angle 45 degrees is a little bit special. Now, in order to get angle 45 degrees without any measurement device, take a square sized paper and then fold it connecting the two opposite vertices and fold the paper diagonally, and we get an isosceles triangle with one angle as 90 degrees and the two angles as 45 degrees and the two sides equal. Now you can use the same sheet for demonstrating the trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degrees. For the purpose of demonstration, let us use a bigger triangle. Now let us take this triangle A and B, where you get the 90 degrees, B is right angle, and you have C. Now A and C are 45 degrees each, because this triangle, right angle triangle, is an isosceles right angle triangle. So how? Let us measure the sides AB and BC. Now the AB is 1 unit. Now we can notice that AB is same as BC. So that means AB is 1 unit. In a triangle with the 45 degrees as the theta, AB is 1 unit and BC is 1 unit. Now what is unknown? AC is unknown. So we have to find the value of this unknown unit. So we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? The square formed on the opposite side and the adjacent side, when they are put together, that will be equal to the square formed on the hypotenuse. So here we know the values of the opposite and adjacent sides. What we do not know is the value of the hypotenuse. So what we do? We just simply apply the values. Now here the square on the opposite side is 1 into 1, that is 1, plus the square on the adjacent side is 1 multiplied by 1 square, that is 1. So these things will put together will be the square on the hypotenuse side. So what is the length AC, which is hypotenuse side? That is nothing but square root of 2. So the unknown value here, the hypotenuse, is square root of 2. Okay, so using the values of BC and AB that we measured, we have found out the ratio of AC in respect of BC and AB. Now we have to find out the different trigonometric ratios. Let us go for sine theta. Sine theta, here theta is 45 degrees. So let us write sine 45 degrees. Sine 45 degrees. Sine is the opposite by hypotenuse. The side opposite to the theta is opposite side, and here AB is adjacent side, and the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse side. So sine theta, that is sine 45 degrees, is the opposite by hypotenuse. So here it is 1 unit divided by square root of 2, that is nothing but BC by AC. Right. Now let us go for cos 45 degrees. Cos 45 degrees is adjacent, which is AB, divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. Now what is adjacent? It is 1 unit, and what is hypotenuse? That is square root of 2. You can notice that sine 45 degrees and cos 45 degrees are same because the two sides are same. AB and BC are same. Now let us take tangent 45 degrees, tan 45 degrees. What is tan? Opposite by adjacent, that is BC divided by AB. So that is nothing but 1 by 1, that is 1. Now the next unit is cosecant 45 degrees. Cosecant 45 degrees is the reverse of sine because sine and cosecant are related. Cos theta and secant theta are related, and tan theta and cotangent theta are related. So cosecant theta is sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Cosecant 45 degrees is hypotenuse by opposite. So here square root of 2 by 1, that means it is square root of 2. Now next we have to find out secant 45 degrees. Secant 45 degrees is related to cos 45 degrees. What is cos 45 degrees? Adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Secant 45 degrees is the hypotenuse divided by adjacent, that is AC divided by AB, which is the adjacent. So it is square root of 2 divided by 1, so that means square root of 2. Now what is cot theta? That is cot 45 degrees. So what is tan 45 degrees? It is opposite by adjacent. So cot 45 degrees is adjacent, that is AB, divided by opposite, that is BC, that is 1 by 1, which is 1. So in the case of 45 degrees, sine 45 degrees is 1 by square root of 2, cos 45 degrees 1 by square root of 2, tan 45 degrees 1, cosecant 45 degrees root 2, secant 45 degrees square root of 2, and cotangent 45 degrees 1.